Okay, I got to your property. So, what I see here is we need to do something with these. Must have had something placed here. So I gotta clean all this up. I wanna put a new edge on here. So we're gonna put a brand new edge on here, lay some mulch on there, get all this grass out of here, put some weed preventative in here. Okay, then we're gonna come in here. We're gonna clean all this up, cut this back. This all should have been cut back in the fall. Cut all this back, put a new edge on here. Right, and then we're gonna angle it, give it a nice look, right? Remove all these leaves right here, straighten all this out, clean all this up. Same thing over here, put a nice new edge on here, get all these grass out of here, get all the grass out. Cut this edge, make it real nice and straight. We're gonna wrap this hose up, put it in the back, okay? Same thing over here, cut the edge, trim it all up. Same thing over here. We're gonna get all this out, get all these leaves out of here. Cut this back, that should have been cut back in the fall. Cut it all back, cut it all back. Remove these leaves, remove the grasses that are in the beds. Let's put a brand new layer of fresh mulch. Same thing over here. Unless you would like to keep it grass like this, but it's part grass, part not. I like to remove all this grass. Let's get some fresh mulch on top. See what else we got. Grass. Get all this grass out, cut these beds, get this stuff all together. Clean this all up, get all this grass out of here. I don't want grass in my beds. Grass goes for the lawn. See, I'd like to get an aerator out here, get aerated, overseed, get this path back together. Cut this bed over here. Clean all this up right here, clean all this up. Yep, clean all this up. Get all the leaves out of the lawn. Get all the leaves right here, clean all this stuff up. Okay, and we got this right here. We got this right here. All right, and we got this right there. Okay, there's anything that we need to do? Do we want to do an opener for the hot tub? We could do a drain and clean for that as well. We'll get in there, drain everything, wipe it all down. Put brand new chemicals in there. We also do a hot tub service. All right, now we got this. We want to clean up this, put an edge right there, edge all this. And you see how we got no grass here? I like to do an aeration and seeding over here as well. Clean all this up, get all these leaves out of here, get all the debris out of this. Clean all this whole line up right there. Clean all this up, clean all this up, clean all this up. All right. That's what we'll be doing. Like I said, our spring cleanups consist of all the debris removal, the leaf removal, everything that is from last year. Everything needs sticks and branches. You got sticks in the lawn. We'll clean all that up. We'll clean all that up. And then we'd like to edge all the beds, edge all the walks, edge everything, lay some mulch down, and make this thing look brand new. I like to get some black mulch in here to match the door. Black mulch will take this thing to the next. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, black mulch will make this thing look really good. Yeah, this house is beautiful, by the way. I love the brick. Yeah, put some black mulch on there. Yeah, we'll take care of you. All right, I'll have something over to you in the email. Thanks a lot for reaching out. I appreciate the hard work. Thanks for calling. You have a good day. We also do water features now. Custom water features. I'll put a water feature right next to that beautiful hot tub. You have a good rest of your day. I love the black mulch. Look what we just did here. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Getting the job done. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Gotta love the black mulch. Accents the black door. Look at the door. Oh, God, that looks good. You can put this house on the market right now and probably get 20% more. Let's call the appraisal. Let's get a new appraisal in here. Let's see if we get some more equity in here. See, all we gotta do now is get all this area, get all the tracks and everything. The tracks all out. And oh my God, the plants are gonna come in real nice. Yeah. Throw some seed. Seed all this up real good. Get the grass going, looking like that, like the golf course. Come on, we live on a golf course. We just gotta follow their plan. Yep, trim that up. Oh yeah. All you gotta do is seed this thing real good. Or if we wanna go, oh, look at this pad. I love this. Nice and thick. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Proud Pond strikes again. And we're outie. Thank you so much.